from your Northwest Arkansas Weather Authority, meteorologist Gina DeVecchio.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, it sure was a hot, humid Wednesday afternoon. We had some sunshine, also a few fair weather cumulus clouds, but over these next few days, they will not be fair weather. They, in fact, will grow with all this instability we have out there, and that's going to allow some of these storms to become strong to severe. We'll talk about those details in a bit, but right now out there, 87 degrees, dew point 72, feels much warmer than that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the heat index values, and you have 93 is what it feels like in Fayetteville, 98 in Fort Smith. It's been awfully close to triple-digit heat in the River Valley, staying just around there and below, but we are going to cool down a bit, so that's the good news. With these storms coming and going, it's going to drop our temperatures, but only a few degrees over the next few days. We're going to stay in the mid-80s and low 90s for the River Valley over the next couple days, but we'll also have more clouds and rain chances. Most of those rain chances are going to be overnight, as we do have a stationary front just towards our north. You can see slightly cooler temperatures above it. We're talking about 60s and 70s, then 80s below, and 90s and triple digits off towards our west. That's not coming our way, so that's the good news. But because this front is stationed just above us, and it's going to linger south and then north and south again, but mainly in the same spot. So it'll stay relatively stationary over the next 3 days, and that's what's going to trigger storms in the same location. So tonight, we are right there in the line of fire for storms developing, mainly northern Arkansas. The farther north you are, the more of a chance you have of seeing strong to severe storms. We're talking about large hail as well as gusty winds. Tornado threat is not out of the question with this first batch. So, of course, we'll be here to keep you updated if any of these do become tornado warned. But I just urge that you have your mobile app ready or alert system, whatever it is, have it on high volume throughout this evening and tomorrow and the next night as well. So this is tonight through Thursday morning. Then we have the same thing for tomorrow. A little different area, but still includes northwest Arkansas, northeast Oklahoma, and southwest Missouri. One more day, Friday night into Saturday morning. You do see, though, each day, this is the evening into the early part of your day. So afternoons could be just fine for outdoor activities. It's those overnights, which is the most dangerous time for storms to come, and that's when we are going to see the chance of this. So you can see right around midnight, our first chance. Then early on your Thursday morning, we could see some as well. Then afternoon is fine. Next batch comes. So this is an MCS system. So that's a mesoscale convective system that we're expecting for tomorrow night into early Friday morning. Clears out Friday afternoon. Looks like you could be okay, except we could have some isolated showers or storms with a boundary of that system, getting that to develop. Then once again on your Friday night into early Saturday morning. So one chance after another and another. Sunday still going to be a damp one, so your entire weekend looking like we're going to have little chances, but it's not going to be all day long. So just those overnight storms tonight, Thursday, Friday. But then, like I said, those more storms, widespread storms on your Sunday, that's going to be one that could put a damper on the entire day if we see them. And now you see the shifting winds, meaning that it actually is a cold front coming your way, and that's going to drop our temperatures just a bit into the 70s, but we do see those chances on your weekend. Little piece of sunshine, though, Jonathan. I talked about this earlier. Not totally rainy for every single day of the next 3 days, but we are looking like overnight storms, and as I mentioned, that's the most dangerous time.
Yeah.
So be sure to stay updated, whether it's social media or your cell phone app or weather radio, whatever it is.
And, of course, y'all will stay on top of it and keep us posted. All right. Thanks a lot for that, Gina.